Hello, my name is Akansha. Today I'm going to start domestic animals. DOMESTLIC.
Domestic animals.
Domestic. N I
M
M
A L S.
Animals. Now we start from dog. This is dog. Dog spelling DOG. This is cat. Cats are always cutie. Cat spelling is CAT. This is horse. Horse always run very, very fast. Horse spelling is HORSE. This is donkey. Donkey always walks slowly. The spelling of donkey is DONKEY. Donkey. This is called lamb.
Lamb says
Dachu. This is lamb. Lamb say meh.
sheep.
Sheep say meh.
Baba.
And the spelling of sheep is SSEEP. This is goat. Goat have long horns. Goat spelling is GOAT. This is called cow. Cow gives milk. We always drink milk. Cow spelling is COW. I'll start once again. This is dog. Dog always do woof 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 woof. And the spelling of dog is DOG. Cat say meow meow meow. The spelling of cat is CAT. Horse is bleh. The spelling of horse is HORSE. This is donkey. Donkey say dachu. We call the spelling of donkey DONKEY. This is sheep. Sheep also baba. Spelling of sheep is SHEEP. This is called goat. Goat has long horns. What you say? The spelling of goat is GOAT. This is cow. Cow say moo moo. A cow gives us milk. Milk are healthy. The spelling